Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and in this video I'll be doing weekly market recap on GBPJPY analysis and what happened last week and the movement of the market. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the analysis for today. This is daily time frame of GBPJPY analysis, and as at last week Friday, which was August 1 and non-farm payroll, this was the result of non-farm payroll. All this daily candle of how many pips? This was how many pips? This was 386 pips. That was news, yes, because non-farm payroll is the craziest news of all time when it comes to trading. And as a result of that, market sold throughout the week. And I predicted, based on the analysis, that I will be expecting massive buy this coming week, which was last week. And as a result of that, this was the end of all the movement, despite the fact that on Monday, Tuesday, market was very slow. Yes, because this is 4-hour time frame. And to those who watch my previous video, if they have not watched it, go and watch everything I said there. I was able to deduce that markets, because markets are fractal in nature. And if markets are fractal, then it means that the order and chaos in the market space are part of the market. Based on the analysis that I set up last week, I said I will be expecting massive buy this coming week, which was last week. And that's exactly what happened. I was able to catch a few pips. Our market bought from this level throughout from Monday to Friday. The only thing was that I exit at this key level. Yes, because as a swing trader, you will now catch all the market. You will now catch all the movement of the market. So this movement, when market reaches key level and I discovered that too much consolidation, I exited around this place, which was on Thursday. Okay, was it here? No. I think I edited. I exit here. Yes, I exit somewhere around here. Because this was on Thursday. I exit around here. And eventually market moved Thursday and Friday, was able to move to this key level. And that was all. So what am I trying to say? As a trader, one of the things you need to understand is this. Even when you run your analysis completely, when everything seems perfect, you see, market is closed now and is about to open in the next few hours. One of the easiest things to anybody can tell you is, you see, when I draw my key level like this, always move like this. That one is one of the cheapest things. You see, the most hardest part. The most hardest part is you run your analysis. You are expecting the market to move. Our market to decide not to move. Okay, imagine what happened here. Market opened here on Monday. It means that market from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So before market, it took market 3 days to move from here to here. But which was average of how many pips? From here to here, which was 178 pips. But within 2 days, between Thursday and Friday, market moved 252 pips in 2 days. So that is another side of the market, which is serious psychology, the ability to be in the right state of mind before you enter market. That's why you cannot afford to be making decisions of your buying and selling based on emotions, based on feelings. It does not go well. And as a trader, you need to run your analysis over and over again. That's number one. Number two, never ever enter market that you are not ready to chop stop loss. That is, if you are not ready to lose, don't enter the market. So, but because I was able to enter here as early as possible, which was on Monday, somewhere around here. So when market reached this key level, I do not care. I just exit with my profit, and that was all. Because I knew that from here to here is enough, and market can do whatever it likes. So eventually, when market reached this key level and was buying again, I wasn't interested again, though I knew where market is going. But psychologically, I'm just off, like, let the market be going. There are many trades to still take in the market space. So what am I trying to say? Your duty as a trader is to, when you run your analysis finish, you need to examine your psychology. You need to be emotionally stable. You cannot afford to be gambling your money. That is why signal group is nice, but it will not help you. In long term, you will lose money in signal group. You will need to sit down and understand what market is doing. Run the analysis, check it. If you need help, if you need help, seek for the help. And that's the most important thing. So that is what happened. And that's how Friday market reached this key level, and here we have. Now, according to the law of Elliott-Wave because market moves in waves. This is higher, 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 low, higher, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. So I'll be expecting this market to come and drop higher, low. So if I want to buy at all, like buying, I'll be expecting this market to come to this key level, at least to this support level. Then from there, I cannot be expecting this market to break this resistance level. And why am I so sure that market can break this resistance level? Let's go to daily time frame. This is daily time frame. So which means that if based on this, if market break this resistance level, there is a probability that there is high probability that it will come and retest here. And once it retest, where is the next place I'm expecting this market to go? Somewhere around here, which is still obeying the law of Elliott-Wave. Imagine that we started from here and I predicted that market and here we have. So which means that if this market continues coming here, then after here, then we wait again to understand what market is doing. Simple as ABC, no stress. Just find a single entry, enter, make sure that you know what higher time frame is talking about, because if I never knew what higher time frame was talking about, I would have missed this entry around here. Because I knew what higher time frame is all about, it serves as a lot of help, a lot of strength to withstand the low velocity of this market around here from Monday to Wednesday. So that is all about price action for GBPJPY analysis. So for this coming week, I'm still expecting buy, but I'm expecting market to pull back at least in 4-hour time frame first, because market need to pull back. If market do not pull back, I will not click buy. I will not click buy. So yes, I'll be expecting market to pull back at least to this key level. Let me bring out my Fibonacci to see. Okay, at least to this key level. I'm expecting market to do that. You can see that this is my Fibonacci key level, and this is exactly 50% ratio. This is 4-hour time frame. So I'll be expecting market to respect this key level. If market can pull back to this key level, then I'll be looking for nice entry setup, nice bullish setup, that is nice buy. I'll be expecting for buy side liquidity. But if market refuses to do that, I will not be able to do anything. I'll just leave the market alone and let it go. There's a lot of market analysis to do. So trying to pick a trade is a psychological trauma, or you are not supposed to be trading initially. Like I used to say, if you are depressed, don't trade. If you are not in the right state of mind, don't trade. If you cannot lose the money, don't trade. If you cannot lose the money, do not trade. So guys, that's all I have for you guys on GBPJPY. Let's see what is happening in US30 one more time. This is US30, and exactly that is what happened also in US30. The same thing happened on US30 because I run the analysis that I'm expecting this market to buy, and this was the Fibonacci that I drew. And what happened? Market picked up successfully, and right now this is here we are. You can see now, like, no indicator, nothing, just raw price action reading, just raw price on this US30 also. But US30 is a dangerous market to trade. So right now I will still be okay. Let me draw another until US30, until market break this level. I'll be expecting this US30. If I'll be looking for bullish entry at all, I'll be expecting this market to break this level, then come to this key level, then use this as a support level. If this market do not come to this key level, if market is working here, it's a dangerous place. Do not US30 will deal with you. It's not a child's play. US30 move average of 300. Oh, let me even check. This is 451 pips. Imagine that. That is all I have for you guys on US30 and GBPJPY. Please, if you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button on your notifications. And if you have any opinion, drop your comment below. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.